Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? So what's going on this time? The Shiba Inu price is dumped down. You can see, my friend, this is temporary fail. So don't worry, my friend. I am 100% sure to the very huge explosion is coming soon. As you can see here, from last 7 days, my friends, they will get a profit, but from last 3 days, my friends, they will very badly finish down. So don't worry. You can see here, not very badly. You can see this is very slowly. You can see here for this is very small dump. I think it's not a huge. So 100% I'm sure, my friends, to after this short dump, they will take a very huge pump, absolutely like that. As you can see, my friends, when Shiba Inu will pumps up, so absolutely like that. As you can see, this is completely very huge pump, my friend. And after a dump, so this time you can see here, this time also they will dumps down, and after this dump they will pumps up. So therefore I'm 100% sure to after this dump, I am 100% sure, my friends, so they will also take a very huge jump and give you the very good profit. So at the end of month, my friends, please try to understand holders. I am 100% sure, my friends, today will give you a profit, but for that you will need to just only stay here and don't go anywhere here, and please hold down. My opinion is for all of you, to please hold on, especially for new holder. This coin is very good now because they will give you a very good profit in a very short time. They cannot waste your time, they cannot give you take your long time. Please try to understand, holders. If you want to earn money from crypto in very short time, you will need to invest now in Shiba Inu coin. I am 100% sure this coin will give you a very good profit in very short time. So thanks for watching, Shiba Inu coin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.